Did you know that small mistakes during cold morning startups can significantly reduce your engine's lifespan, potentially costing you thousands in avoidable repairs? In today's video, I'll reveal 5 common cold start errors you're likely making, along with simple tips to avoid them, helping your engine stay healthy and saving you money in the long run. Mistake number 1. Revving your engine immediately after starting might seem harmless or even beneficial, but it's one of the quickest ways to severely damage your vehicle's engine, especially in cold weather. When an engine is cold, components such as pistons, cylinder walls, and bearings contract slightly due to lower temperatures. The oil that's responsible for lubricating these critical parts also becomes thicker and flows more slowly, meaning that for the first several seconds after startup, your engine parts have minimal protection against friction and wear. By revving the engine immediately, you force these contracted metal parts into high-speed, high-friction contact with inadequate lubrication. This can lead to serious mechanical problems, such as scored cylinder walls, worn piston rings, and potentially costly engine damage over time. To avoid this, the best practice is to start your engine and let it idle gently for about 30 to 60 seconds, allowing sufficient time for the oil to circulate throughout the engine. After this brief idle period, gently drive your vehicle until it reaches its normal operating temperature. Following this simple routine will greatly extend your engine's lifespan, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure reliable performance for years to come. Mistake number 2. Letting your car idle excessively to warm it up is a widespread misconception among drivers. While it seems logical to leave your engine running for several minutes in the driveway on cold mornings, doing so actually causes more harm than good. When your engine idles cold, it runs on a richer fuel mixture, which means extra fuel is injected into the cylinders. Unfortunately, because the engine isn't fully warmed up, some of this excess fuel can seep past the piston rings, diluting the engine oil. Diluted oil significantly loses its ability to lubricate critical engine components, accelerating wear and tear. Additionally, prolonged idling generates minimal heat, causing the engine to warm up at a very slow rate. Instead of protecting your engine, you're inadvertently extending the period during which the engine operates inefficiently and is most vulnerable to damage. A safer and more efficient method is to start your car. Let it idle briefly, about 30 to 60 seconds, and then gently begin driving. Gentle driving under light load warms your engine faster and more uniformly, ensuring proper lubrication, reducing harmful emissions, and extending your engine's lifespan. Adopting this practice will ultimately save you money on repairs and improve your car's reliability. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong oil viscosity during cold weather is a significant yet frequently overlooked factor that can dramatically shorten your engine's lifespan. Engine oil is designed to lubricate internal components, reducing friction and preventing wear. However, not all oils behave the same way in cold conditions. When temperatures drop, oil naturally thickens, flowing more slowly through the engine's narrow passages. If the oil you're using is thicker than recommended, such as 10W40, instead of the manufacturer recommended 5W30 or ERA-SOW20, it can struggle to quickly reach critical components like pistons, bearings, and valves immediately after startup. During those initial crucial seconds, metal parts can experience metal-on-metal contact, significantly accelerating wear and tear. To avoid this damaging scenario, always follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendation for oil viscosity, particularly in winter. Common cold weather oils like 0W20 or 5W30 are formulated to flow easily at low temperatures, ensuring rapid lubrication right after startup. By simply using the correct oil viscosity, you protect vital engine components, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent premature engine failure, ultimately saving yourself costly repair bills and preserving the reliability of your vehicle over the long term. Mistake number 4. Taking frequent short trips without fully warming up your engine is one that many drivers unknowingly commit on a daily basis, causing gradual but serious damage over time. When you start your engine and drive only a few miles before shutting it off, the engine rarely reaches its ideal operating temperature. This temperature is essential because it allows the engine to burn off moisture and unburned fuel that accumulates within the engine oil and exhaust system. During startup, without sufficient heat, moisture remains trapped inside, contaminating the oil and causing it to degrade prematurely. Over time, This moisture buildup leads to the formation of corrosive acids, resulting in internal corrosion and accelerated wear of crucial engine components like bearings and cylinder walls. This is particularly problematic in cold climates, where short drives are common, and engines already struggle to reach their optimal temperature quickly. To minimize this risk, try to consolidate errands into longer trips, allowing your engine sufficient time, typically at least 10 to 15 minutes, to fully heat up and burn off contaminants. Making these simple adjustments in your driving habits can greatly extend your engine's lifespan, protect your investment, and save money on costly repairs down the road. Mistake number 5. Accelerating aggressively right after starting a cold engine is another common habit that can severely shorten your engine's lifespan. When your engine is cold, critical components like piston rings, valves, and bearings rely heavily on engine oil for lubrication and protection. However, cold oil is thick and flows slowly, leaving these engine parts with minimal protection during the first few minutes after startup. If you immediately floor the accelerator and push the engine into high RPMs, you're placing intense mechanical stress on internal parts that aren't yet adequately lubricated. This harsh action dramatically increases friction, potentially leading to accelerated wear, premature engine damage, and costly repairs down the road. To prevent this issue, practice gentle driving immediately after starting your vehicle. Keep engine speeds under approximately 2,500 to 3,000 RPM until the temperature gauge reaches normal operating levels. By gradually accelerating, rather than abruptly flooring it, you give your engine oil enough time to circulate fully and provide maximum protection to all components. This simple adjustment not only ensures your engine warms up safely and efficiently, but also significantly extends its longevity, saving you both time and money in future maintenance and repair costs. Here's a simple yet effective cold start routine you can easily follow every morning. Start your engine. Allow it to idle gently for about 30 to 60 seconds. Drive smoothly and keep RPMs below 3,000 turns until your engine reaches its normal operating. Temperature. This straightforward practice truly makes a significant difference. By avoiding these 5 common cold start mistakes, you'll reduce repair costs, enhance fuel efficiency, and potentially add tens of thousands of miles to your engine's lifespan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share your own cold start experiences or tips in the comments below. Drive safe, take care of your car, and I'll see you next time.